Hello guys, this is Raj Kumar. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Raj the Wanderlust. So by seeing thumbnail itself, you might have come to know what this video is all about. And firstly, I am so glad and thankful for your great support for the first video. So in this video, I am going to discuss about the GoPro how I got and what are the things accessories you will get along with the GoPro. All these things I am going to discuss. And not only this, along with this I am going to discuss about how to fix or install this GoPro to respect your helmet. I hope you will enjoy the video. Let's start the show. Yeah guys, as I said that I am going to explain you about this GoPro. I'll show you the things what I got along with the GoPro and how I am going to install this GoPro to my helmet. And first let me explain what are the things you will get along with the GoPro. So I'll show you the things what I got along with the GoPro. So while buying itself, they'll give you one charging cable which is like written in GoPro. So you have to buy only GoPro accessories. This is one of the warning, because if you use some other things like some other brands, your camera life or durability may reduce. So you better use GoPro accessories only. And along with this you will get some user manuals, where this user manual they are written in different languages, like even it's written in Korean, Chinese, and then like you can see there are different countries and with their respective languages. In English it has written, but I'll show you, even it is in Arabic. So user manual is coming with the different languages actually. And then you'll get some GoPro stickers. Along with this you will get some, like it is like brief usage of this GoPro. See here you can see like how this app, GoPro app, can be connected to your GoPro. And then like I'll explain you all these things, how you have to use this GoPro. No worries. Like if you have any questions regarding to GoPro, just go to the gopro.com. There will be like a Q&A session will be there. If you want some doubts or something, you can get it there itself. Okay, fine. Finally coming to the accessories, you will get like is of like one of the flat mounts. Like if you want to fix this to wall or some place something which is flat, you can use this one. And along with this you will get this curved mount, and I will show you how they use this curved mount and all. See, this is the only part, like this is called mounts, these are called mounts. You can see the difference between, like it's a curved here, so it can fix to a curved surface. Means like if it is a flat, it is going to be like a flat mount. This can be installed to your helmet, where flat mounts can be installed to your walls. And then finally this is mount like fix. It's like a buckle to fix this mount to, like, and then GoPro. I'll tell you how to fix all those things also. And along with this GoPro tripod, it's a very small one, but okay, it can be like vlogging and all, it can be fine. You can use this one. One more thing I forgot to show you. Yes, this is one most important thing you will get as a 1 year service warranty. If you break the GoPro, there will be no warranty. It's maybe like service warranty, internal damage. One more thing, batteries. Actually they'll give one battery, you have to buy one more battery because power backup should be there. If when you are vlogging something, if you lose the power, then gone, completely is going to be to bin. So it's better to buy two batteries. Actually I had already kept one battery inside this one. One battery is like a backup. And then like if you want to upload your videos to some like laptop or something, some hard disk or something, card reader. And this is used to mount your GoPro with a buckle to this tripod or your helmet. Like I'll explain you how to assemble all these things. And then this is a guard. Make sure your guard should be very good. See how to open the guard is like here you can see a symbol, so that just pull it. It will be little bit hard. Don't worry, it is not going to break. Okay, just open this with the facing like this. See, and if you want to know whether GoPro is original or not, just check here. It will be written the GoPro version, like GoPro 7, 9, 10. Currently GoPro 10 is going over there. It costs around 50,000. so I am not affordable to 50,000, so I got GoPro Black, Hero Black 7. So how to fix this one, I will tell you the first thing. So just insert into this like this, make sure everything is fixed to this one, and then just close this like this, and then just make sure this should fix into this slot. Okay, just press on this. You can hear that sound, that means it's completely locked. Now your GoPro is somewhat safety. And I will explain some more things. While removing also, don't worry, it will make some sound, so your GoPro is not going to break it. Don't worry about that. Just pull it like this. Okay, done. Now in this GoPro, I'm going to explain. So I'm going to charge this GoPro, and I will tell you the things what happens while charging. Okay, I'm pulling back this again. So as you can see here, like charging socket is a C-type. Just keep charging here. Just wait for a few seconds. I'll show you something. See, after charging itself, one red lights will be blinking here, one more here, and one here. You can see 3 lights blinking around your GoPro. Once if the battery gets charged fully, wait, I'll show you the battery percentage also. Just switch on the GoPro. Okay, now GoPro is switched on. See here, it will show the battery percentage, and this symbol is for your SD card. And like in GoPro, there comes with 3 options, like one is camera, and one more thing is video, and one more thing, this is a video, and one more thing is time lapse. Like I'll explain these things, like what do you mean by time lapse means. For example, if you fix a GoPro or like some traffic places, or you want to capture the clouds or sunset or something, it will like that video might be some few hours, like more than 3 to 4 hours. So it will convert that 3 to 4 hours into a just 10 minutes video or like 5 minutes video based upon your concern. Like it will turn like 2 to 3 hours into 5 minutes, 10 minutes video. That is all about time lapse. And when you drag to left, it will show like video. So in video and all, I'm going to tell all the things. So here it is going to be a loop. If you want to take a loop, just click on this one. It will direct to a loop or something. It will show some seconds what is the timing. While taking the video itself also, it will ask looping or video. You can click on the video or looping, whatever you want. And then what are the video settings so we can make in GoPro. Right now I had set to 4K and 60 frames per second. Well, I'll explain you. See here itself we can see, for example here frames per second and resolution. If you click on that one, now you can see here 4K, 2.7K, 1080, something is there, like 720. Now for example, you can select whatever you want, and then you go with just click on that one. There are like some default things in GoPro. If you are selecting 4K, it will select 60 frames per second, because you can't go for 240 or 120. See here itself is like a hyper smooth stabilization is there. And one more thing is your screen ratio, like 16:9. You can select like 4:3. There are 2 options. These are only 2. There are no some other options, so only 2, either 16:9 or 4:3. This is all about resolution and frames per second. And then we'll go back. And then favorite, if you want to take wide angle or super view, there will be some more thing. If it's a low light, just click on that one, then it automatically adjust to that one. And stabilization. Okay, while taking the videos, I'll explain about these and all, because if I explain now you can't understand. So what is this ISO minimum, what is this ISO max, and sharpness, color, this EV components, what is this, and then mics, how the mics are audio, the safety settings and all. If I explain you now, you can't get it. So while taking the videos and how it affects the video, I'll explain at that time. And then about camera photos, if you want to take the capture photos, even that is available. Even you can saw the difference between the changing. Now it's like something bluish. Even you can change the colors, and you can, it's like something that will be like, even your temperature increases, automatically the climate changes increases, right? So it depends upon that. You can change this color also, you can change the settings actually. Just the same thing here, linear PT is there. If you just click on, again the camera settings will come. You can change all the camera settings based upon yourself. It's a like brief explanation about this. If you want to zoom it, just zoom it, zoom out. That's it. This is like brief explanation about GoPro. When taking the real video, I'll explain you all those things, like how it affects actually to the video, and then I'll explain completely all the things, settings, everything. This is all about GoPro. And now one more part is like how to install this GoPro to my helmet. Okay. So as I told you, I want to fix this GoPro to my helmet. My helmet is like Steelboard 7. It's like basic model. It's not something racing or something. It's like basic model only. So the color I bought because my bike is the same color. So where I'm going to install this GoPro is here. This is the front part, because where it resembles like your face, and then see whatever you are seeing, that you can, if you fix here, you can get it. Some riders used to fix here, some riders used to fix on the top of this one, and some riders say left or right or something. They will fix a base based upon them. But up to me, as I had seen lots of vlog videos, I hope that it's better to fix in the front, like chin of your helmet. I hope so. For fixing and all, what I got the MCs. Yes, I'll show you. I'll show you the MC. This is like, you can get this in any hardware shop. So actually, I show you. If you go for a professional rider things, motovlogging helmets, so they'll give some mounts to fix these GoPro to your bike, but it's not something like, it's a basic one. So like what I'm doing today is like GoPro, our hardware mechanical things. So what I'm doing, I'll use this MCs and then I'll use this curved mount so that I'll fix it like this. So I have to remove this one actually, I'll remove it. I'll fix it like this, and then with these and all, I'm going to fix this GoPro to my helmet. Okay, I'll make sure this. Thank you.